Hello YouTube. What's happening? I'm still alive, and that's pretty much the whole theme of this video, that I am still alive. First things off, I would like to say thank you and welcome to all of my new subscribers, because where would I be without subbies, right? Some fool on the internet is what I would be. Second of all, I just want to update you all. If you did not know it, I am a student teacher. I am teaching up a storm. I start my full-time teaching next week. So that's why I've just been swamped, lesson plan this, lesson plan that. And then, also having to still go to class on once a week. And also, my teacher has her requirements and things like that. So I've been doing a lot. Some time ago, it started maybe at the end of February, I got kind of sick. And I had, it seemed like a cold. My eyes were running, my nose, sneezing, all types of stuff was going on. And I drank a lot of Theraflu for the first week. Then that was gone. I drank some cough medicine after that. And then what was left was a cough. And I had the cough for about a week. And I had some cough drops or whatever to ease the irritation. And now I'm just left with having to clear my throat every now and then. Like now. So, yeah, I'm coming back from that. I got a new watch, which I love. I wear it every day. It's Betsey Johnson. You know how she does her stuff. I'm trying to get to where I can show you more detail on my watch, because that's a pink secondhand. I have never been one to wear a watch, but now that I'm student teaching, my cooperating teacher told me, you need to get a watch. And so, I got one, and now that I wear one, it's like I always check my wrist, even if I don't have the watch on. I also got the acrylic overlay on my nails removed, and I switched to gel nail polish, and this is the gel. So it's supposed to be healthier for the nail. And so, yes, for anyone who's been wondering about my nails in the videos, I do not wear tips. Those are actually the length of my real nails. My nails just tend to be really long. Genetically, other people in my family have really long nails. That's just how our nails look. So that was all me. Let's see. That's about it, though. Not really much more I could say. Yeah. So I will start making videos again regularly when I get the time. Oh, also, I do not have video editing software anymore, or else I don't know how to find it, because I got a new laptop. So, yeah. But anyway, I'll check in with you guys later. Bye.